What is going on, everybody? A lot of people ask the one question: what is Bitcoin going to do next? Because that predicates what the market is going to do. I can't tell you what's going to happen. I can tell you what's likely to happen. I can tell you what the chart is reading. Some people will see it, some people will not. That's okay, because I'm going to show you what it reads, how it looks right now, and then what is, in my opinion, getting ready to happen. And by the way, for those of you that haven't followed me for a length of time, I've been right all year. So here we go. First, we're going to look at the price action on the chart. We do have to recognize these. You continue to have these downward momentum. Then we have this big paradigm shift that happens, and then it booms back up. Now, this was not the move that we expected. In fact, by the way, just so everybody understands, the move that we expected was a little bit higher than this, but we got rejected right around 32,000. Why did we get rejected at 32,000? We got rejected at 32,000 because the heat map tells us that's where all the money is. I want you to look at this liquidity map right here. There are two places that we can go for massive amounts of liquidity. That's going to be at 24,000 down here and 32,000 right here. Now, Bitcoin works like a magnet. It's going to find the liquidity pools and it's going to attack those liquidity pools. It may take time, but it will work itself to that position. So where are we right now? Well, right now we're sitting at 29,944. We've had this massive pump and reversal. Doesn't mean that we can't come down. Might see a little relief like we saw right here before we continue down and press this line one more time and then have a big bounce into this 32,000. Now, the reason, again, is the liquidity is deep right in this area right here, and that's where Bitcoin's going to go. It's going to go to the place where the money is, where that gives you the ability to cash out. That is the cash that you need in order to make the significant gains that you're looking for. And the next point here I should point out is this is the next cycle move, 37,250. Now, why do I say that? Look, things are pattern based, right? Here's what happened on the last pump and on the first pump and on each one of these pumps. We bounced off of this support line, ran up, then we had a little corrective phase, and then we got this double top push before we made the move down. So we did the same thing. We got a little double correction here, and then we made this push to the double top, and then we came back down. We don't have a double top. What we did was we came up to this little region. I want to point this out. We came to these little regions right here, and instead of continuing on, we got rejected at that level. So now, if I just take a little bit of logic and reason, and I say, if I take this level here, and then I go with this double top right here, where is it going to put me right now? Right now, it's going to put me at about 37,250. That's where the number's coming from. We're going to see this move again. The question is just, when will it happen? The likely play out, the likely scenario is probably sometime after ETH Toronto, but don't hold me to that because I don't know. But here you can see right here, if we're attracted to liquidity, if the liquidity is right here, that's where the move is, right in this area, and then the big move is up to 37,000. Now, after that, we probably break down below here, and we probably come back down and start testing 27,000 through the end of this year. And then after that, the bull run officially starts as we get down to this area right here. And that's when the big move starts happening. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, subscribe button, bell to be notified of future content. Leave a comment down below, either agreeing or disagreeing with me. I don't care which one. You haven't been right all year. I have. We'll talk to you again